Imagine this. You have wanted to start exercising for 2 years, but you never started. Then one morning, you finally go for your first run. Your friend smiles and says, "Better late than never."
Wait, does that mean being late is a good thing?
Not exactly. It means doing something late is usually better than not doing it at all.
Ah, I see. So if I should have started earlier, but I finally take action now, someone can say, better late than never.
Exactly. This is a very common English idiom.
Let's say it slowly together. Better late than never.
One more time. Better late than never.
Great. Now let's understand the meaning clearly.
Late means something happens after the expected or ideal time.
And never means it does not happen at all.
Right. So this expression compares two situations. First, you do something late. Second, you never do it.
And the first situation is better.
Exactly.
Can you give me a simple example?
Sure. John wanted to learn how to cook when he was 20, but he never had time. At 40, he finally takes cooking classes.
Better late than never.
Perfect.
Here's another example. Sarah forgot to send her friend a birthday message. She remembers the next day and sends it.
Her friend might say, "Better late than never."
So the expression can also be used when someone finishes something later than expected.
Yes, but the tone matters.
What do you mean?
Sometimes it sounds friendly and encouraging. For example, you finally started learning English? Better late than never.
That sounds positive.
Yes, but sometimes it can sound slightly teasing.
Like if someone arrives 20 minutes late?
Exactly. You might smile and say, "Well, better late than never."
So I should pay attention to my voice and the situation.
Absolutely.
Let's practice some useful vocabulary. First, finally.
Finally means after a long wait or delay. For example, I finally finished the book.
Next, put something off.
That means delay doing something. For example, I kept putting off my English practice.
And then one day I started.
Better late than never.
Your turn. Repeat these sentences aloud.
I finally started exercising.
I kept putting it off.
Better late than never.
Excellent. Now think about your own life. Is there something you have delayed starting?
Maybe learning a language, reading a book, exercising, saving money, or calling an old friend.
If you start today, remember?
Better late than never.
Now that we know the meaning, let's learn how to use better late than never naturally in conversation.
Great. Give me a situation.
Emma has wanted to learn Spanish for 5 years. She finally signs up for a class.
I could say, you finally joined a class. Better late than never.
Perfect.
Another one, please.
David borrowed a book from Michael and forgot to return it for a month. He finally brings it back.
Michael could jokingly say, better late than never.
Exactly.
Can I use this idiom about myself?
Yes. For example, I should have started saving money years ago, but better late than never.
That sounds very natural.
Here are 3 useful speaking chunks you can remember.
Chunk 1. I should have started earlier.
Example, I should have started exercising earlier.
Chunk 2. I finally decided to.
Example, I finally decided to take an English course.
Chunk 3. It's better to start now than not at all.
And that sentence explains the idea behind better late than never.
Let's do a quick speaking practice.
I'll give you a situation, pause for a moment, and respond with the idiom.
Situation 1. Anna has wanted to read a famous novel for years. Today, she finally starts reading it.
Your answer? Better late than never.
Situation 2. Michael forgot to apologize after an argument. 2 days later, he calls and says sorry.
Your answer? Better late than never.
Situation 3. Lisa has never exercised regularly. At age 50, she joins a fitness class.
Your answer? Better late than never.
Excellent. Let's review. What does better late than never mean?
It means doing something late is better than not doing it at all.
When can we use it?
We can use it when someone starts, finishes, remembers, or does something later than expected.
And what should we remember about tone?
It can sound encouraging, friendly, or slightly teasing depending on the situation.
Time for today's challenge.
Complete this sentence aloud. I have been putting off blank, but I'm going to start now. Better late than never.
Say your answer 3 times. Try to make it personal.
Before we finish, let's hear a full, natural conversation.
Alex, guess what? I finally signed up for a photography class.
Really? I thought you wanted to do that last year.
I did. I kept putting it off because I was busy.
Well, better late than never.
Exactly. My first class is the Saturday.
That's great. What made you finally decide to join?
I realized that if I kept waiting for the perfect time, I might never start.
That's a good point. Sometimes starting late is still much better than not starting at all.
What about you? Didn't you want to learn how to play the guitar?
Yes, and I've been putting that off for 3 years.
Then maybe it's your turn.
You're right. I should have started earlier, but I can start now.
Better late than never.
Exactly. I'll look for a beginner class tonight.
Great, and next time we meet, you can tell me how it goes.
Deal.
If this lesson helped you, practice the idiom in a sentence today.
And subscribe to FluentMindee for more simple, practical English lessons that help you speak naturally and confidently.
See you in the next lesson.